Hey everybody, this is your girl Nikki LeBay. I want to wish everybody a happy Thanksgiving. I'm down here in Southern California with my mom. Say hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. So we're down here. I'm going to be cooking Thanksgiving dinner. On the menu today, we're going to be having red garlic potato salad. I messed up, but that's okay. I'm going to keep going anyway. And then also on top of that, I'm going to be making some sauteed greens, mustard greens, my favorite. Yum, yum, yum. I'm going to make it with a little bit of shallots and lemon juice. Something new. Then also, we're not going to be all traditional today. Instead of having turkey, we're going to have some fried chicken. And there's nothing but the person who makes the best fried chicken is this lady back here. Say hello. I love that woman. And then also on top of that, we're going to be making a macaroni salad. We're going to have a regular pea salad. And what else are we going to have? Oh, and she makes the best. Yeah. Oh, yeah, and she makes the best, mwah, mwah, fruit salad. I can't wait till she finishes making it. Okay? So this is your girl, Nikki LeBay, wishing everybody a happy holidays and a happy Thanksgiving. Go out there and get your grub on. Peace.